Today we're going to be creating Fijian style mats, and what we need for that is a ruler, pencil, scissors, a large black piece of paper, and a smaller manila colored paper. And then I will be giving you handouts as well that will show you different types of weaving technique patterns that you can use. The first thing you're going to do is line your ruler up and line it up with the horizontal landscape side of your manila paper, and then you're going to mark every ½ inch with your pencil. So go along and mark off every ½ inch. Okay, and then you're going to do the same on the other side so that you make sure that your lines match up. So once again, every ½ inch mark with your pencil. Okay, once you have made marks on each side, you're going to want to line up the marks with your ruler and draw a light line from top to bottom. Okay, once you have your lines drawn, it's going to look like this. Then what you want to do is fold your paper in half lengthwise, and then you want to measure in 1 inch. So put a little mark on each side. Connect those 2 marks. Like that, so you know where to stop your cuts. And start cutting. So once you're done, you're going to have, your paper is going to look like this, and you're going to weave through all of these sections. So when you're done with that, put that to the side. So now you're going to have to start cutting out your black piece of paper into strips. So once again, you're going to have to measure, and you're going to once again measure a ½ inch with your pencil and the ruler going down the side. So fold it over and then look for your marks on your side, and then go ahead and measure ½ inch down the crease. Then line up your marks with the other side and start drawing your lines. Once you have the lines drawn on your piece of paper, then you're going to cut out your lines. So that you have a long strip of black paper. So when you're done, you're going to have all these long strips of paper. So what you're going to start doing then is creating your weaving design. So flip your paper over so you don't see any of the pencil line, and you can look at the handout for some ideas. So you can see if you wanted to do this design, then you're going to skip a bunch of these lines, go under one, and then skip a bunch, go under one, skip a bunch. So you can follow the patterns on here if you need some ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and follow this one. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then under the 6th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then under and back over. And once again, skip over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then under, and then over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, under, over. Weaving is done and you have a pattern that you would like, then what you're going to do is take a glue stick and everywhere on the end you're just going to glue and press, glue and press. Then you're going to take your scissors and trim the edges. It's the finished design. When you're done with everyone in the class, then you can go ahead and attach these all together and make one giant pattern.